Hi, I'm Mark from L&M Small Engine. Today we're working on a Craftsman rider. It's a LT1000 model. They brought it in for a spring tune-up. The battery was dead. I put it on the 2 amp charger for about 4 hours this afternoon. So we're gonna test the battery, change oil, put all new filters on it, make sure the blades are nice and sharp. Check out all the belts and everything. So hope you enjoy the video. Okay, let's put a load test on this battery. Like I said, I charged it for like 4 hours on 2 amp. And yeah, it has a dead cell on it. It's on 12 volts. So you put a load on it, goes all the way down to 6. So there's a bad cell in there. One thing bad about lawnmower batteries, it seems like when they freeze, they lose a lot of their life. Take this battery out. There's no corrosion on the ends, so that's good. Okay, I'll grab a pair of pliers here. Go grab a new one here. And on these Craftsmans here, well, a lot of lawnmowers, when you have the Briggs and Stratton 31 cubic inch or the 33 cubic inch, you need to put a battery in with at least 350 cranking amps because motors have such high compression. If you use a smaller cranking amp battery on them, the life of your battery really goes down. Okay, let's see if it turns over now. When it starts up, I'm going to run about 20 seconds or 30 seconds, let the engine oil warm up so it's easy to change that. Put the brake on. They gotta tighten that valve cover up a little bit. Looks like it's leaking around the valve cover right there. Let that drain for a little bit and we'll get back to work on it. Okay, let's go ahead and change that spark plug. Looks like it's burning really good. Make sure it's gapped about 35 on these Briggs. And pop it on there till it clicks on there. Clean that ring off nice and good where that gasket on the new oil filter is. It's good just to hand tighten it. You don't need to over torque it. Now it changes fuel filter. There you go. Now go grab the oil. These motors here take 1.5 quarts, 30 weight. Then when we start up, we'll let it run about 30 seconds and we'll check the oil. That way we'll have the oil filter get filled up full of oil. I'm gonna grab a 3/8 and tighten down that valve cover real quick. Okay. I'm gonna grease up the front end and we'll jack it up and check the blades and the belts. Okay, now we can go ahead and jack it up, check everything underneath. Okay, let's check out these blades here. And if you want to grab the end of these blades and shake it, make sure the bearings are in good shape. I'm using really good shape. No wobbling, no nothing. We'll put a nice little sharp edge on these blades here. Yeah, make sure your wings ain't wore out or nothing. And make sure they're parallel. And while we have it up in the air, let's check the belt and the transmission belt. Make sure there's no cracks on them. Look at your idler pulleys and everything. And there's no zerks on these blade spindles, but if there are, make sure you grease them. And just look everything over and make sure all the arc clips are in place and everything. Make sure everything's nice and tight. Looks pretty good. I'll go put a nice edge on these blades. I think should be about done. Okay, put a nice edge on them blades. I had to cut some grass. Make sure the star fits on there. Make sure you have it on there all the way. Make sure the wings always go up on the deck. You don't want the blades on upside down. Okay, now our last thing is tire pressure. The two front ones, you have to have the exact same amount on the two front ones, and I like to put like 15 in them. The back ones, they have to have the same pressure, so the deck is level. And I usually run like about 10 pounds in the back ones. It should stay on the side of the tire what the maximum air pressure is, because you don't want to exceed that. Okay, we got 15 in the front, and we're going to put 10 in the back. If you have a smooth lawn and no bumps, you probably do 12. I think we can take it off the stand here. I believe she should be ready to go mowing season here. Okay, got the hood back on it and everything. Well, there you go. It's all ready to go. Anyways, Appreciate you watching the videos, and if you like my videos, please press the like button and please subscribe. Anyways, you have a good afternoon. Bye.